Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this beautiful Rancilio Silvia espresso machine. And let's go ahead and pull a shot. Shot's going a little fast. I think the coffee I have in the grinder is a little bit old. But you can still see we have a decent crema. And let's go ahead and heat up the steam. Okay, and we're back, and we're going to go ahead and test the steam. Nice strong steam. I noticed the steam valve leaks just a little bit, but I don't think that's worth addressing because I have to replace the whole valve because I don't have the internal parts for it. And it's such a tiny leak that it's not worth it. So, thank you for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.